everyone, welcome back to Byte by Riya. I am so excited to have you here today. In this tutorial, we are going to create our own Super Mario style game from scratch. We will be adding Mario who can move left and right. Here he is. Then we have to make him move left and right with the arrow key. When you click on right arrow, he want to move right. When you click on left arrow, he want to move left. And he will land only on brick platform. There will be obstacles like cactus. You can see there that end the game if Mario touches them. Plus, we are also going to add coins to collect for points and monsters to avoid. I will show you exactly how to make everything move, how to handle game over condition, and how to track score. Whether you are new to game development or looking to level up your skills, this tutorial will super fun and easy to follow. So let's jump right in just like Mario. Let's start building our game, guys. Let's get started together. So yeah, you already know, right? Whenever we start with the code, whenever we start to program any project, we have to start with which block? The green flag click. This means when we click on the green flag, our project will work. Next what we have to do? I want to set the this Mario will go only in left and right. Okay. So for that, otherwise he will, when it is moving, maybe it will move upside down. So I don't want to do like that. I don't want to make him go upside down. I just need to make him move left and right only. So I'm putting set rotation style left and right. Next I need him to point in the direction of right only. When I'm clicking on the green flag, he wants to point in the direction of right. So I'm putting point in direction 90 degree. Okay, so he will always point towards right only. Then I need to set the location of the sprite, where the sprite want to stand. When I click on the green flag, I need the sprite, the Mario, to go to x value equal to 5 and y value equal to 139. So this go to xy block is just like the address. Wherever he go, when I click on the green flag, you can see he is going to this position. Okay, I'm putting him here, and even after I'm clicking on the green flag, you can see the Mario is going to there. Yeah. Now what I have to do is that now you want to make the Mario move exactly left and right only. So how to do? When I click on the left arrow, he want to move left, and when I click on the right arrow, he want to move right. So for that, I want to use an if condition. If I'm clicking on, so if this key, right key pressed, okay. If I'm clicking on right key, what I have to ask? Hey Mario, please move right in the direction of right direction, right? Please move in the right direction of right. Let's see whether it is working or not. I'm clicking on the green flag. Okay. I'm clicking on the green flag and moving. Yeah, it is. You can see it is not working, right? Why it is not working? It is not working because we didn't enclose that one inside the forever block. So this if condition want to work forever, not only for one time, right? So we need to enclose this inside the forever block. Now let's see. I'm clicking on the green flag and yeah, you can see now it is working, right? He is moving towards right. Now I need, just like that, I need to move him towards left. So I just need to duplicate that one, change to left arrow key, and I just need to change the direction. Hey Mario, you now when I click on the left arrow, you want to move towards left side. Okay, so let's see. I'm clicking on the green flag, moving right and moving left. You can see it is moving left also, right? All right, guys. Now we want to put one more condition. Okay, here we have brick, right? So I want to ask if it is touching the brick, okay, he want to go up. So again, I'm putting the condition if touching brick. Hey Mario, if you are touching on the brick, you want to go up. So I want to go up for 10 times. So he will be little bit up on air. And if you want to make it go up, you want to put change Y by block, right? Change Y by block help you to go up. As this is the Y axis. Y axis, change Y by block with a positive number help you to go up, right? All right. Sorry, we have to use an if else condition, okay? To set the gravity, not if condition, we have to make use of if else condition, then only we can set the gravity. It is the very easy method to set the gravity. If it is touching the brick, he want to go up. Else what I have to do? Due to gravity, he want to go down. If there is no brick to hold him, he have to go down, right? So I want to put change Y by a negative value. If we put change Y by a negative value, what will happen? He will go down, right? Yes, you are absolutely right. Now let's see. I'm clicking on the green flag. You can see here is no brick. That's why he's falling down. We didn't show the brick, isn't it? Yeah. When I show the brick, but okay, let's see. Try again. Yeah, you can see he's jumping, right? Jumping Mario. Hey, super jumping Mario. All right. So for now, I'm just hiding the brick. He will fall down. So I'm not clicking on the green flag. Okay, guys. All right. Now I need to add some sound effect, isn't it? Then only our game have real life, right? To make it more exciting, we can add sound effect. That is our job. So what we have to do is that for Super Mario, I am putting when green flag click until it is touching. So wait until it is touching the cactus. So when it is touching the cactus, I want to make sound. Okay, not I'm sorry, until it is touching the cactus, what I have to do is that, yeah, touching cactus. Then I need to stop all the sounds currently playing, and I want to start the sound of one sound, that is SMB finish. So, and I need to stop everything. So you can put stop or block. Then I need to add one more sound, that is when green flag is click. Going to event block, when green flag is click forever. I need to put stop all. In the throughout the game, I want to play one sound. Okay, if it is touching cactus, it will play SMB finish sound. Okay, yeah, you can hear that. I think so. All right, now throughout the game, I want to play this sound. Okay, SMB main theme sound. You can hear it right now. Oh, as it is falling down, we are not able to hear it. Okay, at the last you can hear it. Okay, once I'm done with the project. So next we are if it is touching the monster, we will send one message. Okay, so we also want to play that sound when I receive. We are broadcasting this message in the enemy sprite only. So that monster sprite, so touched monster. Okay, if it is touched monster, I need to play. So touched monster, I need to play a sound. I need to stop all the sounds that is currently playing. Maybe almost this sound is playing all the time as we put it inside the forward block. So I need to stop all the sound that is currently playing. Then I need to play this sound again, the finish sound. Then I need to stop everything. So just I'm putting stop or block. Okay, all right. Yeah, guys, so we are done with that Mario. Okay, we have to code for the brick. Okay, so let's code for the brick right now. For the brick, what we have to do is that, yeah, whenever we start with the code, we have to start with the green flag. When green flag is clicked, I don't want to see the brick, so I'm hiding it. Okay, then I'm putting a for-hour block. Inside the for-hour block, what I'm going to do is that I need to create clone of brick, because now you can see there is only one brick. So I need a clone of brick for to make the build the game. So I am putting a lot of brick I want to create a clone of brick after every 1 second. So I am putting wait block for 1 second also. Next, we need to code for the clone, right? How to code for the clone? We have to start with when I start as a clone. If you want to code for the clone, you have to make use of this block. Then what I have to do is that I want to show that again. So when I start as a clone, then only it will show. So we can't see the original sprite. We can only see the cloned sprite. Okay. So go to the motion, and I need to set the position right now, just like we did it for the Mario. So I'm asking that brick to go to the X position is 152, and Y value I need to go in different location. Sometimes he want to be in the top, sometimes the brick want to be in the bottom. Like this I want to change the location, but not to up. Okay, so I'm putting the Y location to a different value. So to set different value for the Y location, I need to use something called pick random block. Okay, so we can put the value -50 to -120, -120. Okay, let's see what is happening. Oh, as it is stopping on when it is touching cactus, this is happening. I mean, okay, now let's see. Actually, it is creating lot of clones, right? Yeah, so you can see it is creating lot of clone. So let's come back to the brick. Now I want to put that. What I have to do is that I want to put a repeat until block, and if it is touching edge, I want to make it move. Okay, if it is touching with each other, if it is touching the any edge, so I'm asking to make it move if until it is touching the edge. Okay, now it is not moving, not changing the position, it is only creating the clone. Okay, so what I had to do, it is not working because of this top wall. You can see it is just creating the clone only, but it is not changing the position. Okay, so to change the position until it is touching the edges of the stage, until it is touching the edge, I just need to move how many steps? I need to move -6 steps. So it will move towards left to right. Okay, you can see that. You can see this moving towards left to right. That's cool, right? All right. Next, what I have to do is that after that, you can see the brick is, you can see the brick is coming over here. It is still here, right? Oh my god, we want to delete that. Okay, we want to delete this clone. So for that, we have to use something called delete this clone. I don't want that brick to accumulate at the edges. After that, I just need to delete this clone if it is touching edge. Yeah, all right guys, so we are done with almost brick. We are done with the coding for the brick. Okay, next we have to code for the coin. Just like that, we have to start with when green flag click, then I need to set the score. See, I can't see any score there, so I'm putting the tick mark over here to set the score. You can see I got 3 score before playing it, right? Even before playing, you can see 3. I got a 3 score. It is not possible, right? We want to ask that initially I just need a score of 0. Otherwise, it is cheating, right? When it is starting itself, a score of 3. It is not practically possible. So I am asking the Scratch, hey Scratch, I need the score value to be 0 at the beginning. Then initially I need to hide the coin just like we did for the brick. I'm hiding the coin. I just need to create the clone of coin. So putting for our block inside it, I am creating clone of myself after every 1 second. Okay. So here also I am going to hide the original sprite of the coin. We are only making to show the clone of the coin. So we have to start with this. When I start as a clone, I want to make it show, right? Then what I have to do, I want to set the position for here also, right? So for that you want to make use of go to xy block, x value I am putting as 216 and y value I am putting as pick random, a different value for the y. So I am putting pick random. So hey coin, I need you to come in different position of y. It will also go in, sometimes it will go in, it is here right now. So I'm asking, sometimes it want to come here, sometimes go here, sometimes little bit up, just like the brick. Okay, so I'm asking, I'm setting the position of the coin also. Then just like we did it for the brick, okay, we can almost drag this code and put it for the coin also. Okay, so it's the same thing. If it is until it is touching the edge, I just need to move the coin also towards right. Okay, then I also want to add one more if condition. What is that? If it is touching edge, sorry, if it is touching Mario, the Mario want to collect the coin, right? So for that I am putting if touching Mario, if touching Mario, I want to increase the score. I want to get one score. So how to increase the score? You want to make use of change score by 1. Okay. Then I want to play one sound of SMB coin sound. Okay. As it is collecting a coin, I want to play that particular sound. Then I just need to hide it. Okay. All right. So we are almost done with the coin. We can see the output. Yeah. You can collect the coins, you can make the Mario move left and right. Alright, now the last one is pending is for our cactus. Oh, the monster also we have to code. The monster one also want to appear the two enemies, right? The cactus. For the cactus, I just need to switch the costume. I have two different costume for the cactus, opening and closing of that mouth of the cactus. So it is quite simple. When green flag is clicked, I just need to switch the costume. For that, I'm using forever block. Then to switch the costume to the next costume, we have to use next costume block. So it will open, close, isn't it? After every 0.2 seconds. Okay. So we have to use 0. After every 0.2 second, I need to switch the costume to the next costume. Okay. Now let's call for the monster. So monster, our enemy, we have to avoid it, right? So for that, initially we are also going to create clone here, just like we did for the brick. So I can drag the code and put it for the monster. So what we did, when green flag is clicked, I'm making the uh, clone of the monster, but it is not create after every second, every 1 second. It want to create only slowly. So I just need to put create clone of the monster after every 5 seconds. Okay. So next I want to code for the clone, right? So when I start as a clone, how to code for the clone? We have to start with when I start as a clone, I want to make it show. I am only showing the clone of the enemy sprite, that is monster. Then same step, I need to set the position. How to set the position? By using go to xy block. I am setting the position x value as 191, the constant value, but y I am changing it all the time. to change to get a different value, which block you want to use? Yeah, you want to use pick random block. Okay, we want to put the pick random, it want to appear in the same position as the coin. So minus 17 and minus 50. And just like the coin, it will also uh, come like in that position. So rest of the code are almost same. We can put repeat until block. Repeat until if it is touching edge, I want to move minus 6 steps, not minus 6 step. These monster want to move very slowly, so I'm putting minus 2 steps only. Okay, and if it is touching Mario, I don't want to get any score here, so I'm avoiding that. Yeah, I want to play the sound of SMP finish, and I need to hide that monster. Then we broadcasted a message over here, right? When I receive touched monster, so we have to broadcast that message here. We want to send the message here, and it is receiving by our player Mario. Okay, so I am sending this broadcast touched monster to play that particular sound. Okay, and need to stop all. Yeah, all right, we are done with that. Quite easy, right? We quickly done this, a very effective game. So let's see what we made. Let's click on the full screen option, and we can play it right now. I'm clicking on the green flag. Yay. Oh my god, I touched the monster in the beginning itself. I am very weak in playing, guys. I'm good only at making, but not like you. Oh, oh my god, the monster is there. All right, anyway, let's try again. We want to avoid the monster. Let's see. Oh my god, again cactus. So, yeah, I am very weak in playing, so you can play it, guys. Alright, so yeah, next what I have to do is that you can, yeah, and there we have it, our own Super Mario game. I hope you had such a fun game as I did, showing you how to create it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Byte by Riya for more game development content. I post new tutorials every week to help you learn coding in fun, creative way. If you want to take your skills to the next level, I offer a personalized one-on-one class where we can work together on whatever coding project you are passionate about. These sessions are just 14 per hour, and you can reach out me at bytebyriya@gmail.com to set up your first class. Thank you so much, guys, for coding with me today. Remember, learning to code is just like playing Mario. Take it one step at the time, and don't to be afraid to try again if you hit an obstacles like me. See you in the next video, guys, and happy coding. Bye bye. Thank you.